morning to one and all. I'm Dr. Sumitra. I'm here to present you about an agile methodology. Whereas agile methodology is classified into three major categorizations: agile, manifesto, and values, and the coding principles, that is guiding principle. Whereas the first, let us discuss about the agile principle number 1, where our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of a valuable software, where each and everything will be satisfying the customer, early and continuous delivery and the valuable software. Whereas Agile Principle 2 is all about welcoming the changing requirement even late its development, and the Agile process adheres the changes for the customer competitive advantages. And the most objective of the Agile software development is to give a competitive edges to the customer and to implement evolving requirement of any part of route of the projects. And whereas the Agile Principle 3 is all about delivering the working software frequently from the couples of week to a couple of a method within a preference to the shorter time scale, and frequently delivery leads to the frequent feedback and the frequent seaming and the continuous integration local to the delivering a quality delivery, and frequent delivery helps to keep the continuous enhancements during your development phases. Whereas the Agile Principle 4 is all about the business people and the developer must work together daily throughout the projects, daily for their five customers, for the delivering and representatives, and the proper software delivery that allows to yields the frequent enhancement with an moderate, and whereas the frequent instructions will help the peoples to find out the requirements for the development process, and they're giving out the suggestions. Whereas Agile Principle 5 is all about building the projects across a motivated individual, giving them the environment and supported by the needs and the treatment to get their jobs done. And Agile software development empathize on the team culture, concentrate more on the factors which builds a trust in the team. Agile strongly believes that these are the reason for the team software process. And the Agile Principle 6 is all about the most effective and efficient methods of conveying the information to within the development team within a phase-to-phase of conversion. And the Agile development encourages for an conversion in its better compared with another communication. It avoids many of the understandability and the complications of their software. Whereas Agile Principle 7 is all about the working software, which is a primary process of the progress. In Agile development, the process and the success is measured by a working software, that is the component of the software which maybe gets delivered to the customer, delivered of their customer needs. Whereas Agile Principle 8 is all about the Agile process promotes a sustainable development. The sponsored developers and users should be able to maintain the consistent delivery indefinitely, whereas Agile development process is very consistent, and rather than for a total teamwork which is responsible and accountable for the same. The Agile principle is where it is continuous attentions and the technical excellence with a good design enhance your agility, where we have our agile development focusing on your centric and the customer satisfaction with the proper quality, and then develops with an centric quality or as well as provides you an agile development process. And this Agile Principle 10 is a simplicity, the arts of maximizing the amount of work which is done, and it is essential. And the Agile development obeys, keeps whatever the software, and it is workable and needs to maintain. The traditional development software parts which are due to an Agile design requirements. The Agile Principle 11 is all about the best architecture requirement and the design courage from the self-organizational team, and this self-agile development team will help your better understanding and further which helps you for an agile principles. Thank you.